Hello. So I'm recording this in my clinic at home in Welwyn in Hertfordshire. Um, I think at the moment quite a lot of us are sitting more than we might normally do, because we can't go out so much in the evenings. People are sitting watching television, reading a book, sitting at your computer, your laptop. So this is a really good anti-sitting exercise, and it's a muscle that comes from the front of the hip through the back of the pelvis, and it attaches to the front of the spine round about waist level. Um, so it's really good for releasing structures in front of that which might be tight. It could be your gut, could be your liver, your pancreas, your kidneys, which all kind of sit. Liver, pancreas, and kidneys are all kind of at the back of our lower ribs. So this is really good for stretching the muscle that comes up behind those structures. And it's just a really nice stretch and a really good anti-sitting exercise. It's the fencing stretch. So you have your feet kind of 4:30, 7:30 kind of orientation. And you face the front knee and you just bend your front knee, add a pelvic tuck as you're going into it. And the aim is to stretch the groin of your back leg. So you don't have to, it's not about keeping the back leg straight. It probably will be slightly soft. So front knee bent, back knee, you're just really kind of finding where gives you the stretch in the groin of the back leg. So square on. If you want to have at the varlet, that's entirely up to you. Come out of the stretch slowly because it's quite strong. And you swap your feet round. So remember 4:30, 7:30, facing the front knee, keeping your hips straight, bend the front knee, add a pelvic tuck, tucking your tailbone under to focus the stretch into the groin of the back leg. If you're on more of a pure fencing pose, you kind of lose that stretch. So it's not pure fencing, although I call it the fencing exercise. You need to be square on, add the pelvic tuck, and that helps to focus it just down there. So there we are. I am Christina Raven of Your Body in Harmony, bringing you little health tips and exercises, recipes. There will be some recipes on the way, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Hope you're keeping well and staying calm and breathe. Okay, bye.